Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. I'm here today to share with you the completed projects for the December card making kit. This is not a club and there is no monthly commitment, and I use a different base of products every single month. This month I'm going to be revolving my projects around the Making Christmas Bright bundle. That's the stamp set and the coordinating Christmas bulb punch. This kit is completely free with a qualifying purchase of $50 in product before shipping and tax. You'll receive a video tutorial walking you step by step of the process of putting these projects together, with lots of tips and hints along the way. In addition to that, for those of you that prefer written instructions and pictures, I've got you covered as well, because I will automatically include the tutorial. It'll include step-by-step instructions with numerous pictures. There you'll also find cutting dimensions and a list of all the supplies used for that project. Stamping along with me from home is easy because you can use the video to stop and start as often as you'd like, allowing you to work at your own pace. Let's head over to the stamp table and let me show you the completed projects for this month's kit. This month's kit will include 2 of these full-size Christmas cards. I'll provide all the pre-cut cardstock pieces, including the foil and the oval. You'll also receive pre-cut supplies to make 2 gift card holders. You'll also receive the boxes and the pre-cut supplies to make 2 boxes. The small embellishment sequins here and the ribbon are not included. You can include those with your order when you place it online if you'd like. And the last 2 projects are these small cards that are going to go great. This is the Making Christmas Bright stamp set, and here is the coordinating Christmas bulb punch. You can choose to purchase these products to make your projects exactly like mine, or you can order whatever you'd like. I make the ordering process easy for you and adaptable because I realize maybe you already have these products. You will need some additional supplies such as ink pads, basic things such as scissors, and your clear blocks. You'll be able to find a complete list of what I use to make these projects if you want them to look identical to mine in the link of this video description below if you are here from YouTube. The December card making kit has very specific ordering dates of December 5th through December 8th only, just those 4 days. But I have a quick turnaround time and a promised mail date of your kit supplies no later than December 12th, which will give you plenty of time to stamp and put your projects together in time for the holidays. It's important that you use the exclusive kit host code. It's the only way I know you're entitled to the free pre-cut supplies with your order. And as an added bonus, all my kit customers automatically receive an invitation to a private event called Live with Lisa. There I hold several live demonstrations, I provide them with a bundle of tutorials, and I give product prizes away through a drawing. But if you're not on Facebook, don't worry. I'll be happy to send you the event recording and the tutorial via email, and of course your name is still in the product prize drawing. I hope that you will join us for the December card making kit that revolves around the stamp set, Making Christmas Bright.